then we and subscribe now for more puzzles. So today we will learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, the first layer and the white base. So let's start our today's video. So guys, we will see what elements it has. If a cube its element, so we will see. So first element is single piece. So this is a centerpiece. The centerpiece, I will move the centerpiece anywhere. So it will above, green will above the blue and orange will above red, yellow will above white. So let's do the second element. So second element is corner. Second element corner has three sides: blue, orange, white. And each piece have only two sides. You can see this blue and white. So we will now we'll see the algorithm it has. So this is R and this is R and this is R prime, and we'll see U prime, and it is U. So we'll see the, now we'll be solving the Rubik's Cube. So let's scramble it. So it is scrambled. So first step is to make the yellow plus with white edges. So we will see this, this. So our white, orange, yellow plus is made. So now we have to match the colors with their centerpieces. Like red is matched with their neighbors. So turn it 180 degrees. So same as yellow. Green is already there. And blue is, so R plus is made. Don't matter the corner has come, so it is good कि we have to, it has come. So let's see now we have to do the colors which we have to do. So we have to match with theirs, the colors we have to do. So like orange is matched, blue is matched. So algorithm is this: U, R prime, U prime. So it is the R corner piece is settled. So now we will match the colors. So like red is matched and green is matched with their neighbors. So we will do the algorithm. So our first layer is made and the white is complete. So our algorithm is, they say U R prime, U prime. So guys, our first layer is completed. So guys, this is solved. You like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel.